Welcome back. Page 34, preparing for algebra. My name is Susan. If you haven't subscribed, do so. Ring the bell so you get notifications. These will be coming out each consecutive day once we get them all up. And we're on division. Example, 36 divided by 9 equals 4. To self-correct, we can do the opposite, multiply. 9 times 4 equals 36. Go ahead and finish these few problems on this page, and we'll see you next on page 35. Page 35 is long division. Again, some of these concepts we think are easy to explain or easy to teach, and sometimes they're just not, like long division. So if this 6-step explanation doesn't do it for you, just let me know. I'm happy to reach out individually or as a group, do another page, and add another video. Okay, so here we are with long division. So step 1, you need to look at the numbers and ask yourself, can that 6 be divided into 4? No. So you need to take on the next digit, 46. 6 goes into 46 7 times, right? So we estimate, yes, can go in 7 times, 42. Subtract out, giving you 4, bring down the 9, and then the next number. So with 49, an estimate of 6 times 8 is 48, it's real close, with 1 left over, and when you bring down the last digit, 5. And again, 6 times something is close to 15, that's 12, with a remainder 3. This page is only an explanation, and we'll have practice on the next page. 6. Here's our division practice. Go ahead and figure out these 4. Answers are in the back of the book, and we'll resume on page 37. 37, division continuation. The table here helps you with the larger numbers so you can estimate your long division. Go ahead and figure these out and leave with a remainder. Okay, solve with a remainder. Is a continuation of division problems. Again, I've given you a table to help with the estimation. Go ahead and finish these, and I believe these all finish out with zeros as a remainder, so completely, and you see I've put in the numbers here too to help you through it. Stay neat and tidy. A continuation of division. This time we've added a lot more zeros. So I want you to completely figure them out until you've run out of numbers and you're at your 0 remainder. All right, good luck. Yay, word problems, and this is division. This is all division. Let's go through the example together. So there are 36 slices of pizza and 3 slices per person. How many people are there, right? So if there are 36 slices and there are 3 slices per person, there are 12 people. All right? So go ahead and solve exactly the same way as the example, the next 3 problems. Last page, page 41, we're isolating a variable. Let's go ahead and do the example together. Our variable is m. 4m equals 52, and since it's a multiplication problem, 4 times m, we're going to divide out the 4 on both sides of the equation, leaving us with an isolated m, which would then be 52 divided by 4, which equals 13. Go ahead and finish the next few problems, and the bottom one is a bit of a challenge problem. Good luck. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so, buy a book, all that kind of great stuff. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for being here.